Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle about the first lesson of quarter 2, week 1. The structure of the atom has evolved over time. For day 1, the Greek philosophers and the idea of atoms. So the objectives: define atomos and explain its origin in Greek philosophy. Show curiosity and appreciation for how early thinkers contributed to science, and compare the ideas of Democritus and Aristotle about matter. So for motivational activity, let us answer these questions. What is the tiniest particle that can no longer be broken into smaller pieces? Okay, ang tawag po nila dyan is atomos. So what do you call the act of cutting or breaking something into smaller parts? Okay, division. Which philosophers' ideas were followed for many years even though they were wrong? Okay, Aristotle. What do we call the study of ideas about the world, nature, and life in ancient times? Okay, philosophy. What do you call the people in ancient times who thought deeply and asked questions about life and nature? Okay, philosopher. What are the smallest parts of matter that scientists now study to understand everything around us? Okay, atoms. Who believe that matter is made up of 4 basic elements and not atoms? Okay, Aristotle. What is the early idea that all matter is made of one basic type of invisible particle? Okay, atomic theory. What do we call the solid or visible things around us that are made up of tiny particles? Okay, that is matter. Okay, which philosopher's idea became more popular even though it was not based on experiment? Okay, Aristotle's idea. So imagine you're holding a cookie, you break it in half, then in half again. If you keep breaking it into smaller pieces, will there be a tiniest piece you can no longer break? Pwede bang mangyari yun na aabot sa time na hindi na siya mabibreak? So that question was asked thousands of years ago by a man named Democritus. He believed that there is smallest piece that can't be broken anymore, at tawag niya nga po dun is atomos. At ang ibig sabihin po ng atomos is uncuttable or indivisible or cannot be divided. So that idea was the start of what we call now as atomic theory. Okay, here are example of famous atomic models and the scientists associated to this model. So this one, the first one, model of an atom is John Dalton. So meron siyang tinatawag na Dalton's atomic theory. So John Dalton is known for atomic theory, law of multiple proportions, Dalton's law of partial pressures, and Daltonism. Although itong model ni John Dalton is not exactly correct with the accurate model na ginagamit natin ngayon sa atom, ito ang naging foundation of the discovery of atom. Ito pong ginawa na to ni John Dalton. So followed by Sir Joseph John Thomson or J.J. Thomson. Itong ginawa niya naman na model na ang distribution daw po nitong negative and positive is just like a padding model. So mayroon itong estudyante si Sir Joseph John Thomson sa pangalan ni Ernest Rutherford. So Ernest Rutherford, naging idol niya itong kanyang teacher na si J.J. Thomson. So gumawa siya ng another experiment just to support the idea of his teacher. But may discover siya that there is something wrong with the model of his teacher na si J.J. Thomson. So based sa kanyang model, yung tinatawag na alpha scattering experiment doon sa thin sheets of gold, ay napansin niya na mayroong nade-deflect na ibang direction ng mga particle, at mayroon ding nagkakaroon ng bouncing back, bumabalik, at yung iba naman dumalagpas. Meaning, based on the discovery of Ernest Rutherford that there is a dense material at the center of the atom, which he called as nucleus. So he discovered nucleus. So followed by Niels Bohr, that is the planetary model of an atom. Ito na yung ginagamit natin hanggang ngayon, yung may tinatawag na energy level. Ano po? Circular pattern na ito, itong dinadaanan or the pathway of the electron as it surround around the nucleus. Umiikot po siya sa nucleus like the model of planets or the solar system. Okay, followed by Erwin Rudolf Joseph Alexander Schrödinger. So ito naman yung kanyang model, the quantum mechanics. So these are the philosophers involved in the evolution of the atomic theory. We have number 1, Empedocles. According to him, matter is made up of 4 elements: earth, air, fire, and water. And Democritus, during 400 BC, matter is made of tiny invisible particles called atomos. And Aristotle, did not believe in atoms. He thought matter could be divided forever and is continuous. So Democritus' idea was not accepted at the time because Aristotle was more popular and influential. So nangyari din po ito sa time ni Galileo. Si Aristotle din pong pinaniwalaan. So the idea of the atom was forgotten for over 2,000 years until it was revived by scientists like John Dalton. So in ancient Greece, Aristotle was more respected and influential. He believed that everything was made of 4 elements, which seemed logical at the time. Because of his popularity, Democritus' idea was rejected and forgotten for over 2,000 years. So it wasn't until the 1800s that scientists like John Dalton brought back the atomic idea with experiments and evidence. So the laws of matter, these are the scientific rules that describe how matter behaves, especially during chemical reactions. These laws helps us understand that matter doesn't just disappear or appear magically. It follows predictable patterns. So the 3 most important laws of matter. Number 1, the law of conservation of mass. So matter cannot be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction, according to Antoine Lavoisier. So this means the total mass of substances before and after a reaction stays the same. Or yung tinatawag po natin na reactants and product, the total masses of the reactants should be equal to the total masses of the products. So the example, if you burn a piece of wood, it turns into ashes, smoke, and gases. But if you're going to combine the total mass of that ashes, smoke, and gases, that is equal to the total masses of the wood before it has been burned. So nothing is lost, it just changes in form. So the law of definite proportions, also the law of constant composition. A compound always contains the same elements in the same proportion by mass, according to Joseph Proust. So this means that water is always made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, no matter where the water comes from. So a glass of water from the ocean and a glass from the faucet still have the same ratio of hydrogen to oxygen. So the law of multiple proportions, when 2 elements combine in different ways to form more than 1 compound, the mass ratios are always simple whole numbers. Oh, that is John Dalton. So this means elements can form different compounds, but the ratios are not random, they follow simple math. So example, carbon monoxide, that is 1 carbon plus 1 oxygen. Carbon dioxide, 1 carbon plus 2 oxygen. Both are made of the same elements but in different whole number ratios. So let us answer these questions. Who was the first philosopher to suggest that matter is made up of tiny indivisible particles called atomos? Okay, that is Democritus. Okay, what does the word atomos mean? Okay, uncuttable or indivisible. Which Greek philosopher believed that matter was continuous and not made of tiny particles? Okay, Aristotle. According to Empedocles, all matter was made up of which 4 basic elements? Okay, earth, air, fire, and water. Oh, why was Democritus' idea about atoms ignored for over 2,000 years? So Aristotle's idea were more popular and accepted during that time. So what does the law of conservation of mass state? So this is matter cannot be created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. Which scientist is known for the law of definite proportion? Okay, Joseph Proust. What is an example of the law of definite proportion? Okay, water always having 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms. According to John Dalton's law of multiple proportion, when elements combine to form more than 1 compound, okay, the ratio of their masses are simple whole numbers. Which pair of compounds is an example of the law of multiple proportions? Okay, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide.